for your next ride. Look over here, Lester.
Say hi, Mom.
Lester, wave at Daddy for the video. Over here.
He's holding on to me, so.
Daddy, I'm on Metro. Look at you. That is so awesome.
Look, are you going to show all your friends when you get back to preschool?
You can show them the video and say, I rode a really big horse. Lester, can you say, hi, Grandma? Grandma. Tell her you're riding Metro.
He's giving you a pony ride.
Oh, Karen.
No, we're not going to jump with you. We're just going to walk around in circles.
Come on, here. The boobie's over here.